Greetings, tech investigators. This is Mystery Curtain with your next big review. We'll power up the latest gadget, put it through its paces, and uncover whether it's a game changer or just another overhyped toy. In the competitive world of robot vacuums, Dreame has consistently impressed with high-performance yet reasonably priced devices. Their new Dreame D20 Ultra pushes the limits even further by combining powerful suction, advanced obstacle detection, and intelligent mopping features. Normally reserved for flagship models that cost over $600 to $700. Priced at just $400, this robot delivers surprising value for money. Design and build sleek, compact, and premium. The Dreame D20 Ultra continues Dreame's design philosophy: minimalist, clean, and consistent across its product line. The robot and docking station both come in a glossy white finish, giving off a premium look that blends naturally into modern interiors. On top, the familiar litter tower is positioned for efficient room scanning, while 3 physical buttons handle key functions, such as power, spot cleaning, and returning to the dock. Along the front edge, multiple sensors, including an ultrasonic floor detector, enable precise obstacle recognition and carpet detection. Flip the robot over, and you'll find a simple, yet functional layout: 2 large wheels, 1 caster wheel, side brushes, a central rubber roller, and the dual mopping pads. The roller brush is all rubber, this time, reducing hair tangling compared to older mixed bristle designs. Measuring 35 centimeters in diameter and just under 10 centimeters in height, the D20 Ultra easily fits under most furniture and navigates tight spaces without getting stuck. It even handles thresholds and rugs up to 2 centimeters thick with minimal effort. Docking station: compact but fully featured. The cleaning dock is where the Dreame D20 Ultra truly shines. Despite its relatively compact size, 34 centimeters tall, 59 centimeters wide, and 45 centimeters deep, it packs a full suite of premium features. 4.5L clean water tank, 4L dirty water tank, 3.2L dust bag, up to 100 days of hands-free cleaning. The dock automatically empties the robot's dustbin, washes the mop pads with warm water, and dries them with hot air to prevent odors. These are functions typically seen only on Dreame's most expensive models. Performance: 13,000 pascals suction and smart carpet care. The highlight of the Dreame D20 Ultra is its 13,000 pascals suction power, a number that beats many flagship vacuums costing far more. This ensures deep cleaning performance on both hard floors and carpets. Equipped with 3D adapt litter mapping and smart pathfinder obstacle detection, the robot builds accurate maps within minutes and avoids common household obstacles with ease. In my tests, it had no trouble weaving between furniture or avoiding toys scattered on the floor. Carpet cleaning is where the D20 Ultra proves its intelligence. Using ultrasonic sensors, it detects carpets instantly and automatically increases suction power. The Carpet Boost mode, activated through the Dreame Home app, delivers even deeper cleaning. Most impressively, the mop can lift itself by up to 10.5 millimeters when crossing carpets or returning to the dock, ensuring rugs don't get soaked. Mopping with RoboSwing: smarter and stronger. The D20 Ultra features Duo Scrub dual mop pads, powered by Dreame's new RoboSwing technology. Instead of just spinning, the mop heads tilt outward, while the entire robot body swings slightly, maximizing scrubbing pressure and coverage. The result? Cleaner edges, corners, and baseboards, areas where most robot mops struggle. Dreame claims a 60% improvement in edge cleaning compared to previous models, and my experience confirmed this. Dirt buildup along wall edges was noticeably reduced. Smart features and app experience. Through the Dreame Home app, users can unlock a wide range of customization options: multi-floor mapping, no-go zones and virtual walls, targeted cleaning for rooms or zones, carpet-specific cleaning modes, adjustable suction and mop intensity. The app also allows users to set schedules, tweak edge cleaning coverage, and even instruct the robot to perform 2-pass cleaning for heavily soiled areas. Real-world experience: quiet, efficient, and enduring. In daily use, the Dreame D20 Ultra impressed me with how quietly it operates. At standard power, I could barely notice it running in the background while working. Only in turbo mode did the noise become loud enough to disturb a sleeping baby. Battery life is another standout. Despite having the same 5,200 mAh battery as many rivals, the D20 Ultra lasts up to 260 minutes per charge, far longer than the typical 180 minutes offered by other brands in this price range. When tackling stubborn dirt or food crumbs, I found it best to enable double-pass cleaning in the app. For day-to-day dust and pet hair, however, a single run was more than enough. Verdict: premium features at a mid-range price. The Dreame D20 Ultra feels like a robot vacuum that belongs in a much higher price bracket. With 13,000 pascals suction, self-washing mop pads, carpet detection, 10.5 mm mop lifting, and 260 minutes of runtime, it easily outperforms many models costing nearly twice as much. At just $400, it represents one of the best price-to-performance ratios in today's robot vacuum market. For households with both hard floors and carpets, and for users who want to minimize maintenance, the Dreame D20 Ultra is a standout choice in 2025. Pros: massive 13,000 pascals suction power, long 260-minute battery life, self-washing and drying dock, mop lifting to protect carpets, RoboSwing edge cleaning technology. Great value at $400. Cons: no major design innovation over previous Dreame models. Edge sweeping brush could be stronger for larger debris. Turbo mode can get noisy. Bottom line: if you want near flagship performance without spending flagship money, the Dreame D20 Ultra is a no-brainer.